What's up? So hey, listen, all. Wasn't sure if you were aware if you were a Ryobi slash Ryobi fan. They're actually doing the Ryobi Days at the Home Depot. In case you were not aware, I'm bringing this to you. Now I've been looking through some of these deals and some of the outdoor power tools. Yeah, you're getting maybe 10% off, 4% off, 8% off. On the riding mowers and zero turn, you're probably looking about $500 off on those. So some pretty good deals. I think the best deal out of everything though is the free tool promo that's going on right now at the Deeps. I'll put a link in the description below for this. But you buy the two 3AH batteries, you get a smaller charger, you get the carrying bag for $99. And then when you buy that, you get to pick one free tool. And what's cool about this is that they actually got a few things on here that I would not mind having. Now, obviously, you can pick the recip saw up. You can do a caulking gun, some lights, the power inflator. You can even do a radio if you want. So again, you buy this package and then you basically pick whatever you want out of this. And I'll show you this list real quick. But they do have the new rotary tool out. You can do a grinder. This one right here is really cool. This is the one that, I'm pretty excited about, the new power source, which I'll try to zoom in on this a little bit for you. And basically, what this does is you can plug your cell phone into that. You can plug an outlet into that. Did I scroll out too far? Yep, there it is. But yeah, you can charge your phone. You can plug a tool in there. It's pretty cool, and it's not that large. So that's pretty cool. That's probably one of the ones I would go for. The other one I would probably go for is the buffer. You can go down here. You can see you got the oscillating tools. This hot glue gun, man, this thing is freaking awesome. This is one of my favorite tools. I swear I use this so much, and it's just a well thought out tool. You turn it on, it heats that glue stick up, it runs off of the 18 1 Plus battery, and it gets hotter than, pardon my French, hell. It gets hotter than hell. It is an awesome tool. I bounced this thing off the ground a couple times. It's held up. There's the buffer right there. Rotary cutters, lights, different types of lights down here. You can even do chargers. There's another radio up here, fans. There are a couple outdoor products that you can get. Let's take a look at these. Me personally, I would stay away from this blower that I'm going to show you. It's not the best. If I can get down to it. You got a little one-handed vac. Where's that? Right here. The one Plus 18 sweeper. It's not that powerful. We did a review on it. I mean, it's all right to maybe clear out some dust in your shop, but not great. Got some nailers out here. The crown stapler. That's nice. You got the new 18 volt 1 plus 3/8 inch impact wrench, new soldering iron, so that's cool, and the soldering station, so that's cool. So some of the newer tools you can actually put with that deal. The offset shear, that's a cool tool, and the cordless planer, also very cool. Yeah, a lot of stuff here that you can choose from. So yeah, basically, if you guys weren't aware, you can go up, buy the $99. You get the package, the two batteries, if you're just starting out in the trades, or maybe you just need something for around the house. These tools will be good enough for you. But yeah, the 3AH batteries, $99, you get the case, and you get the charger plus one free tool, and you can pick from all of these. I will put the link in the description below. That palm router looks pretty cool as well. Would not mind having that. And a random orbital sander, that's pretty cool as well. They got a lot of cool stuff. They really do. And you can go with the inflator if you wanted to. It's a pretty nice selection you get to pick from. And again, if you go onto the main website, if you go over here, you can see that some things, not all things, are on sale. Mostly like kits. If you were to buy a kit, they seem to be marked down pretty well. Let me see if I can find one here. So you got the that's the miter saw. Let's see here. Right here, 33% for the kit. So this isn't a bad deal. You get a lot of different stuff in here. You get the recip, impact drill, impact wrench, some lights, oscillating tool, charger, saw. So that's a nice kit. Let's see what else we got. So if you look, here's a smaller kit, 32% off, so that's 60 bucks, 50 bucks off right here for the drill and the impact. So there are other deals out there as far as it goes with some of the outdoor power equipment. You get a few deals going on, nothing breathtaking or anything. You got $30 off of this right here. If you go down, so you're getting $20 off the push mower, but the riding mower, the zero turn, I can't remember what page that was. At zero turn mower, you're saving like 500 bucks off that thing. 20 bucks off of a smaller power washer, pressure washer. This one right here, you're looking at 10%, $300 off for the 38-inch. And then here is the Beastly. This thing is awesome. We did a overview of this on the live stream from the Home Depot Perspective, and you're looking at $3,500. $99 right now with $500 off. That's 12%. So that's on sale, and a few other things here. So I would have liked to have seen, you know, a lot more or better deals on maybe some of the outdoor power equipment. Again, 8%. You know, those are the tools that are selling right now. But at the end of the day, I still think that the 3AH, 2 batteries with that kit and a free tool, still pretty good. So I wanted to bring that out to you, and did not know if you knew about this or not. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out on the Instagram page at ToyReviewZone. And we'll be back with more videos soon.